In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell your ebook on Sellfy. If you've been exploring different options to share your digital work with the world, Sellfy offers a seamless, user-friendly platform that can help you reach your audience effectively. Let's dive right into it, walking you through each step so that your ebook can be up and running in no time at all. Firstly, you'll want to start by logging into your Sellfy dashboard. Once you're there, look for the option labeled Add Product. It's conveniently located and designed to get you started on listing your ebook. Selecting this option, you'll need to choose Digital Product. This category is perfectly suited for your ebook, as it's crafted to handle various digital formats and ensure an easy delivery process for your customers. Now, it's time for the exciting part: uploading your file. Sellfy allows you to upload files up to 10 GB, which provides ample space for even the most comprehensive ebooks. Simply select your ebook file from your computer, and it will upload to the platform. This is an important step, as it ensures that your content is securely stored on Sellfy's servers, ready for purchase. Once your file is safely uploaded, don't forget about the essential details: the title, description, and price. Begin by entering a captivating title that clearly tells potential customers what your ebook is about. The title is crucial because it's often one of the first things people see, so make sure it accurately represents your content. Next, craft a detailed description. Take this opportunity to highlight the unique features and benefits of your ebook. This is your space to sell your story and explain why readers need it in their collection. Be sure to include any pertinent information that might entice readers to make a purchase. Setting a price is the next vital step. Consider your target audience and the perceived value of your content when deciding on a price point. It might also be helpful to research similar ebooks to ensure your pricing is competitive. Remember, you can always adjust this later based on sales and audience feedback. After setting up the fundamental aspects, enhance your ebook's visibility by filling in product details such as categories and tags. These elements are key to how potential buyers will discover your book on the platform. Categories can help in classifying your ebook into the appropriate genre or niche. Meanwhile, tags are essential for defining the specific keywords related to your ebook, enhancing its searchability as customers look for topics or themes that your work covers. By following these steps, you're well on your way to selling your ebook effectively on Sellfy. It's a process designed to be simple and intuitive, ensuring that you can focus more on your content and creativity. Happy selling, and may your ebook reach readers far and wide.